Okay, girls.
Hey guys, welcome to our last vlog.
Get out of here!
UTM 2K7 vlog.
No!
Hello.
Vlog pull up!
You guys here for the funeral?
For who? For who?
The other team. Justin Black.
This guy. Look at him walk away.
Okay, hold on. Let me just finish doing bubbles real quick.
Should I do bubbles as well?
Yes, I've heard Tyson doing bubbles.
Yes, please. I didn't know what to do because my hair's like curly.
Bubbles.
So, sure. Let me see. CJ, how do you feel?
Good. These look so good. These look like bus bubbles. Look at this bubbles.
Those are nice bubbles.
Good bubbles.
My fat.
She asked if I wanted Bubba, and I was like, yeah.
Bubba.
And bubbles. Bubba's.
Give me bubbles. Can we record when we go get Bubba's in Ohio? We're not even gonna be there. We're not going to Bubba's.
Bottom one. This is the last one this week. Okay, that's not good. That's for sure. It's definitely not good. Oh, thanks.
Pull it up. I need my gang pull up. I need my. Okay.
This is probably. Look how bad this bubble is.
It's okay.
Do you want me to read it? I'll read it.
Okay. Transition. Already on it, boy. Guys. Vlog. My dad taught Rob in high school. How old is Jason? How old is Rob? Rob's like 20 something. The rail here. Say hi to the vlog. Yeah, I know.
Hi, vlog. Tess is here before me. There she is.
It's a new thing.
New year, new Tess.
You know what we just found out? My dad taught Rob in high school.
Wow. Wow, Mr. Merritt.
How old is Rob?
40.
How old is today's question of the day? How old is Rob?
Put your guesses down in the comments.
He already told us. How old is he? 40. So how old is Jason Merritt? My dad's 46.
He's bad.
So Rob was stupid, basically.
What?
Or like fresh out of teacher's college.
I like playing in Drumbo.
Okay.
Drumbo's very like nostalgic.
Yeah, it's true.
You know.
What? Oh, it hurts.
Yeah. Oh, guess what?
I vlog.
Guess what? Jason Merritt taught Rob in high school. They're 6 years apart. Robbie.
Wait, let's go interview Jason.
Robbie.
You said Robin.
No, I said Rob.
Go back to the clip right now.
Jason Merritt taught Rob in high school.
Hey vlog, so we just
We're
want
gonna meet Sam Bowler.
The other W. We're gonna meet Sam.
No,
what's his name?
back up. Bowler.
We'll flip the camera.
I got here and I'm standing like.
We're coming to meet Sam Bowler. Yeah.
You want to be in our vlog?
Yeah, I want to be.
Ready, go. Introduce yourself.
I'm Sam. I'm just Sam.
Sam Bowler.
You say, nice to meet you. You want to be my boyfriend? Is that what you said?
What?
No. That's what I thought. I seen her lips. I can read lips.
Yeah.
I said, hey.
Keely, I heard you're a new editor.
They're crunchy. They're crunchy. You're our new editor?
for the vlog.
No, listen to this. We need it. We'll pay you.
Wait.
Interrupt.
His mouth isn't even. It's just
Ready?
My turn.
Wait.
Run it.
Wait, I want to agree.
Let's go.
Go. Ooh, them too.
I had a good one.
Wait, oh.
You gotta freeze them. And it's like.
Yes, please, thank you.
Yeah. That's what I do. Get this crunch. Ready?
Run it.
Why are you stopping?
Why'd your jaw like... I was trying to get all of them in
You're
there.
catching for me. You love catching.
Woo!
Oh.
You see me at short?
Yep.
Oh,
Yes.
Get that crunch.
Smush?
Wasn't that good? We're really good though.
Was it fun? Was it enjoyable?
Yeah,
So vlog, this is our new editor, Keely Morley. Interview your sister, the new editor.
Come on. So this is behind the scenes. So this is the video, the editor.
Didn't edit anything yet.
But this vlog's gonna be her editing. She's gonna be on her bed. Like, I'll take a picture of her. She's gonna be on her bed, like on her bed. Insert clip. My mom goes, I have snacks. I'm at the day.
Alright,
We got my snacks next
Bible.
games.
you can do a transition.
Do you guys
Sam.
want tidbits?
Sam, do a transition.
Do a transition.
Just cover the camera. Just cover.
No one told me I had. Okay, I gotta hit
Just took another dub against.
Did we talk about the first one?
Yeah, we did. Against Palmerston, 17-0.
Oh my god, can I give a potluck call?
Yeah, we're gonna give him a hot.
Oh, big back's gotta go eat.
Big back. On the backpack, loaded up with snacks and Big Macs. I don't know those.
Look at it. It's called big back.
Okay, I'm us Big Back. We need to make a TikTok.
Hey, Robbie, you want to be on our vlog? This is our vlog. Are you subscribed?
Yeah, I do.
You actually?
To the 2K7.
Yeah. Interview him. Yeah. I'm sorry.
It's gotta be better questions than last time.
Just interview. Yeah. Interview him.
What's your name?
Bravo.
I heard you're also a coach for another team. What team do you coach for?
The Condors.
Honest Condors. I need a scratch right here.
I heard you are too.
How long have you been coaching for?
10 years.
Wow. Round of applause.
40.
My dad taught him. Really? Yeah.
How was that?
He might have. I think he might have.
Because you guys aren't that much of a year off.
He was a young teacher and I was an old student.
Did you fail?
No, he's 8 years older than me or something. So he was 24, I was 18.
He taught at Bluebell.
Oh, we're gonna go eat.
The middle bun.
Okay, go, Piper. Okay, we got 9-grain ciabatta buns, a platter of veggies, 2 different pasta salads. Okay, I just need some mayo.
Oh crap, don't eat that one.
Oh my god, Anna.
Don't eat that one. Or just give it to Derek.
Okay,
Give it to Derek.
what is this? We'll come back to you when she's got her mayo. Log your plate. Okay, so we got pasta salad. I don't know what kind of meatballs these are, but they're kind of like veggie. They look sus. I don't like it.
And then we have mayo, ham, and lettuce.
You don't get cheese?
No cheese. And then strawberry and the white dip, and this cheesecake. So this is pretty good, but I would rate it maybe like a 6 out of 10.
Oh, I have more on mine.
Oh, that pasta salad looks so good.
This is probably not one of our best potlucks because I don't like that the sandwiches are the base of the potluck. I'd rather have like a hamburger, but it is.
Good one, good one.
I have more on my plate.
Wait, what am I like?
Okay, I have the sandwiches.
Pineapple.
You're interrupting.
Just pineapple.
I have a sandwich, I have the meatballs, I have a walking taco, and then a Caesar salad and fruit and this cheesecake and a Nestea. Keely, bleep that out.
You better do like the bleep sound.
Bleep. You have to tell me one.
Hey, we won 7-1. Good W for the girls. We can do better.
What? It's on. Good morning vlog, day 2 of the weekend. Currently 9:28 a.m. Beautiful day here in Drumbo. This morning we play UTM Morriston, and then we play Oakville 07. It's not 05. Jokes. So that's the day. That's
the day.
Yeah. Ow! Just kicked her in the head! They want me to block. We just finished our throwing roll, now we're gonna do our hitting.
Well, I'm actually hitting, so I'm not going.
Okay, I guess we'll see you after.
Still going.
Hey vlog!
You bet. Did it go?
Here comes the Blues, the umpire.
We vlogged. We played UTM Morriston. We gotta prove we're better than another UTM team again.
Peep, sit up in the chair with the
Sam got it for his birthday. Look at my gang. Say hi. Yeah. Sam's gonna meet Sam Bowler. I gotta lock in. Sam's gonna meet Sam Bowler today, so they're gonna be best friends. Where's here? Alex and Mary.
He was keeping me stylish. Now that's
We just did.
cause I came just to kill. Who wanna go first? I had him pushing off the deals. I'm fly as hell, I got him biscuits I can feel. I'm on some dumb shit. What he say? He just tell I ain't missing no meals. Come through and check him in my automobile. This girl keep telling me the truth. Telling me it's real, that he ain't cut the pill. He said he don't like I'm bony, he wants to.
Oh my god, it's Florida.
Hey vlog. We got Wendy's breakfast.
Did you update your
Oh no. I'm like, we won, I think like 14-0.
yeah, for real.
Light, casual.
UTM Morriston.
We had to prove our security as the best UTM team. Hey vlog, today we're meeting Sam. Sam is meeting Sam.
I said I'm not getting it for her, so.
Guys, lock in, lock in. Hey Sam.
Say hey to the vlog.
This is Sam.
Good vlog.
Hey guys, meet up.
I don't have hands, that's why
This
I
is
hold it.
Samuel, and this is
Hold it,
Samuel.
hold it, hold it, hold
Is
it.
it actually? That's how you.
Yeah, Samuel,
Frosty, so I can shake
Samuel.
it.
It's not a frosty.
It's just iced coffee.
Okay, well, someone grab it.
Oh, banana bread.
Here, go,
First
go.
touch.
Wait a minute, where's Sam?
Which one?
I'm
They're
right
both
here.
Sam.
Both Sams.
Come on,
Okay, there you
Sam.
go.
Guys, we have new meetup gang member.
And a banana.
This is Anna.
Thank you.
And
Is there enough for me?
No.
Babes,
There's
as
not.
if.
I get the whole thing?
No.
Okay,
I
next
can't vlog
weekend I
and
bring
I
two.
have this.
Oh, okay.
Now I gotta feed the
I can
boyfriend.
still hold it.
Are you chasing me right now?
It's the vlog, Anna. Oh my god!
Oh!
Anna, we can't swear.
Keely,
please shut up. Please shut up.
blur it out.
Okay, sorry. I meant to say
You meant
Keely,
to.
Keely.
UTM.
Put a laughing, crying emoji over that.
Isn't that funny, Kira?
I do need a boyfriend.
Bring back.
Don't, Keely, do not put that in the vlog.
That out. I'll set you up with somebody there in the falls.
That's too far. I can't do long
No,
distance.
no, no. Yes, you can. It's
I
better
can't-
that way.
I
I
can't
want
do
Caledonia boy.
Nope.
It's better that way.
I want.
She said that, but she said we can.
You'll be a nice boy, a good boy.
I can't do.
Chances
Long,
are you'll be Italian.
I can't do a long distance.
But it's
Italian.
cute.
Niagara Falls is too far.
Oh, it's fine. Don't worry.
Okay.
Just come see me every weekend. Okay.
Okay. Guys, I can't hit end.
Yeah, like,
or
are we supposed to?
No, we
We're
go.
supposed to go to your car.
Oh, we are? I thought you were.
so like, are they gonna?
Rate the bread.
Oh man, you.
Oh,
That's
okay.
great.
Actually, let me
Rate
drop
the
off
bread.
my stuff.
Rate the bread.
I need a drink. It's
Okay, we
kind of
gotta
like
go,
getting
guys.
stuck in
Rate
my
it.
throat.
Rate bread.
Like 8.5.
Sam, other Sam's.
The silence.
What'd you say?
That's a 10. That was great.
Good. That was the only good answer.
I wonder if the vlog saw me try to take it back. I was like,
Okay,
You don't ever say that.
like a 9 because I had water.
What's that? Bye, gang.
shoot, shoot.
Okay.
Whoa,
I'm not ready.
We don't play till 12:45.
no, I think 12:30.
Okay, we'll still got time. Is that Louise?
I like the lyrics.
Where'd your dad get these? They're hard. They're really like
It's
a jaw
You probably found them.
Look at the expiry date.
All right. So we got this Wendy's breakfast and we gotta rate it.
Discount
It
candy.
looks like food.
Can I have a bite?
Is there like a wedge
Holy
in
shit.
it?
Yeah.
I like it.
It's pretty good. It's not that bad as I thought.
These are hard.
Joe brought candy.
Bus.
They're hard. I still like them. Just really
really hard on the jaw. Piper and Sam. Piper and Sam disappeared.
Me too. Oh my god.
Piper and Sam disappeared into the over there. So
I'm so silly recording me. Can we play Goofy Abby?
yeah. Hey guys, I have a lunch review. Hey guys. So for lunch, I have this little off-brand lunch bowl. Got crackers, I think turkey, and some cheese. You want some popcorn? Do you want this little sandwich to try with me? You want some popcorn? No. Oh yeah. Thanks. Right.
Want some popcorn?
Yeah.
Hey, you want some popcorn?
Give me. Put it in your little Lunchable.
You want some popcorn?
Alright, rate it.
Oh, this is a WWE wrestler's entrance song.
You picky little eater.
And then it goes like this. All the fans like this.
Whoa!
I'm not even kidding. I'm pepperoni. And like when
My
I put
lunch
extra,
was
I
a
get sausage.
cookie, for like 5 sour keys and popcorn, bro. Oh, here comes Anna with more. Oh, thanks. I'll take that. And goldfish. Why do they look like that? They're goldfish crisps. They're hollow on the inside. Aren't they all hollow? No. What? Is the vlog going on? Yep. Okay. Oh, shoot. Sorry, Kayla.
I'm vlogging our lunch.
Okay, let's go vlog our ground balls.
Oh, actually?
No, but like just go take ground balls.
Alright. Bye, vlog. I'll see you later. Transition. Oh, shit.
Hey vlog, we done.
Took another dub. I don't know what the score was. Actually, this one was a closer one, I think.
They had insert the sounds they made on their speaker.
Also, insert clip of
Piper breaking her foot
and then also getting carried off.
and me and Kira holding hands.
Zero on us holding hands.
Time.
So that's it. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next weekend.
Bye vlog.
Tag her.